Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. So over the weekend, it's been like all over social media. What happened is Avicii, Tim Bergling, and he's like a music artist, and he died over the weekend. A Swedish music artist, and personally, he was just really impactful to me because a few years ago, I started teaching dance, and when I started teaching dance, I had to find music that was appropriate for the age I was teaching. Avicii, he does like really upbeat music, and most of it has really good messages in it. My personal two favorites are the days and the nights. So today basically I'm going to do a makeup tutorial taking inspiration from one of his album art covers, and I'll show you the art cover right here. So I just wanted to kind of bring some light into this tragic situation. I picked up this Color Charge palette from Revlon. First color I'm gonna dig into is this darker green, and it looks really nice. Shadows are really smooth and creamy. That kind of impressed me. Okay, small shadow brush. I'm gonna spritz it with some Fix Plus. Then I'm gonna go in with that same green shade and really try to get some payoff from that pigment. And now I'm going in with my brush that I sprayed with Fix Plus. And I'm really patting it on there, not like rubbing it. Just try to get that product to stick. To blend those two together, I'm just gonna go back and forth with the dark and the light, like over one another. One side of the brush for the light, the other side for the dark. And then I'm gonna go in with the yellow. Sadly, that yellow is more like a gold. I really wish I had like a bright yellow, but I just don't have one on hand. A clean, fluffy brush. And these are the large shadow brushes from Wet n Wild. I'm starting at the outer corner and then taking it in. I want the outer corner to be most pigmented, and then the inner corner I want it to be mostly green, but a little bit of yellow. I have this Smashbox on the Rocks palette here, and I just remember it has a really nice green in it. That green looks so, oh, I love it. So I'm going to take some on my fingertip and dab it over the dark area. Mint. Yeah, this is what we're left with so far. We're going to go in with this pink and purple. We're gonna do kind of the same idea, the darker color on the lid, the lighter color blending up. Clean now. Spritz it with some Fix Plus right there. Now I'm just taking my finger with the Smashbox palette. I'm just gonna dab that on with my finger in the outer corner. I think I'm gonna put a like shimmer purple on top because it just looks really dark compared to this green Petal Pusher palette from Wet n Wild. Brow bone color, because it's a shimmer, but it might add some like sheen to that dark purple. Clean brush, I'm gonna blend out the crease, and then I'm gonna go in with the pink. That pink color is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm like really happy I bought that palette just for these two colors, the purple and the pink. I love them. I'm gonna go in with this Katy Kat palette, the cool toned Katy Kat palette, and I'm gonna use this pink right there. Okay, so this is what we've got so far, and I look absolutely crazy. Favorite, my sleek highlighting palette with this yellow shade on both sides. And by the way, I had already applied my foundation, my eyebrows, and my contour, and I'm just gonna do a thin black line on both eyes and see how that looks. And you don't have to do wings if you don't want to. I just pretty much do wings with like every single look ever because it really complements my eye shape, but it's up to you whether you do wings or not. Now I'm going to use Marc Jacobs blacker eyeliner, upper and lower with the blacker. Waterlines lined. I'm going to go in with this blue pencil from Hard Candy, and it's called Wink Wink. So cute. And it's like a periwinkle, so I feel like that's why they named it Wink Wink. I'm going to do under the waterline with that. I'm going to take the palette with that blue and put it over the liner, flat top angled brush. I'm gonna try adding some white eyeliner to this side and see what it looks like. I might just like completely mess up this look, totally mess it up. We'll see. My Lasting Drama from Maybelline. So I just went ahead and added a white thin line to both sides. Like, it adds a level of uniformity that was much needed in this look, so I'm very happy with it now. And then I just added my mascara. I'm gonna take the same sleek palette, pink highlight, that light one right there. From Ardell. Sadly, I don't know what the name is. The package didn't say a name. These lashes are kind of like your lashes but better lashes, and I think that's why I love them so much. Like, they are not obnoxious, but they just make your average or not so average look just really come to life, kind of. Like, it just really makes your face look nice. I'm gonna do an inner corner highlight, and first I'm gonna highlight the inner corner with that same Maybelline pencil. MAC eyeshadow is called Vex, and it's this really cool, like, silvery alien looking highlight. So I'm gonna take that on my pinky finger and see if I can fit my finger in that inner corner. Are you ready for this neat trick for when you don't know what lip color you want to wear? So neat, right? Okay, I think I like the purple better, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that purple on. It's NYX Liquid Suede Lip in Amethyst, and I really like how it's looking. We just gonna go with the purple. Okay, so I just used this NYX retractable eyeliner in purple to line my lip. And then I just popped some center gloss on. This is from Ulta, and it's called Lip Plumping Transforming Top Coat. Seriously, guys, this is one of my favorite lip glosses. Like, I hate lip gloss, but this one is really nice. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a blast coming up with something different, and I had so much fun drawing inspiration from Avicii's album cover, and yeah, I really had fun playing with this palette, even though the color payoff isn't quite what I was expecting. Still made it work, and honestly, I would totally wear each of these eyes, like, you know, as one look. I would totally do that just on a regular day. I encourage you guys to do something fun, take inspiration from something that you really like, and show me your creations. Either link them or take a picture and comment it down below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you really liked it and want to see more. And then also, if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell just so that you know when I post a new video. My social medias are also linked down below. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.